Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check nearby friends on Facebook. It's really simple and easy. Now let's open up the Facebook application here. And the easiest way that I found to find friends that are in your same area is to tap on the search icon at the top right. And what we are going to do is we are going to just search for the specific city or town that you are currently in. So in my instance, I am in this Haripur and hit search. So on here I am in this Haripur city. I am going to at the very top swipe over and tap on people. This will show me people that are also in this area that are my friends. So you can see variety of different people that I can send messages to. But also if I keep scrolling down, it will show me people that I might want to add as friends. I have mutual friends with these people and they also live in this area. So I can scroll through and find all of these people as well. So that's the best option I have found to find those close by friends. Unlike Snapchat, there is no Snap Map equivalent on Facebook where you can see a map of all your friends to see if they are physically close to you, maybe at a bar or restaurant or something like that. Now another option, you have to tap on this profile picture at the top right corner, and on here we can scroll down and tap on dating. If you want to enable Facebook dating, you will be able to see various people that are also in your town. These won't necessarily be people that you are already friends with. Potentially they are if they are also on Facebook dating and they are friends with you, but this will just open you up to a number of different people that are physically close nearby that you might want to connect with. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.